What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha, and today we are doing an empty apartment tour, unfurnished, raw and uncut. I literally just got my keys and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what my apartment is looking like because I'm actually moving in today. If you guys are keeping up with the Vlogmas videos, you will see my moving process in there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so just walking up the steps here to my place. And I'm not going to show you guys the apartment number, of course. So when you walk in, front door literally right here, and this is the coat closet. Pretty decent space here, and right here is my dining room space. So that's the dining room space, and then right here is the living room area. I have a nice little fireplace, great lighting coming in from over there, and I'm going to take you guys this way. This is the utility closet right here. Then when you come around the corner, you're walking into the kitchen that you can see from the front door. So nice little kitchen space. All right, here, this is the sunroom, and this is also going to be my little film area, but I'll bring you guys around this way and then we'll come back out. So this is the washer and dryer room. So pretty spacious. They'll face each other in here. And then this right here is my bathroom. So coming down here, see that nice little granite countertops, full garden tub, lit for hair washing days. All right, and then of course, toilet right here. Cute little area back here. And then this right here is the linen closet. So pretty spacious linen closet right here. And then walk into my bedroom. So this is the bedroom area right here. Great lighting coming in. My apartment is right in the front of the building. And then right in here is the closet. Oh, you thought it was little until you walked around. So here is my walk-in closet. Cute, y'all. This is really cute. All right, nice and spacious because y'all already know closet nowadays is babyish. So this is a little seating little nook. Right here, I guess it's a little nook, I don't know. And then I have a door that closes from my bedroom and goes into my sunroom slash film area. So I'm excited about this. Ceiling fan up there, pretty spacious. And you can see like everything that's going on outside. And then this also connects into the living room right here. Y'all, so exciting. When I tell y'all this is so exciting, your girl is happy. Okay, so I'm actually about to go meet the movers now, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything and bring it over here. So you guys already know a furnished apartment tour will be coming. I'm probably going to do it around like one of the Vlogmas vlogs because I'm going to actually have it decorated for Christmas in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know the drill. Thumbs it up, comment down below if you guys are excited for me and ready to see this fully furnished apartment tour. And don't forget to press that red subscribe button before you leave, baby. Peace, guys.